the compact makeup mirror. The company sent this to me so I could check it out. It's a really great product here. It's nicely made, fits in the palm of your hand, and it does come in other colors. This one here is the pink one. It operates really easy. It just got the on and off in the back right here, and it does come with the 2 batteries. So if you need to change these batteries, they're the 2032 batteries. So these batteries usually last a long time, so they're usually very powerful batteries. So again, the 2032 batteries, and just to use it, you just basically open it up right here, and you're just going to turn it on, and basically see it just lights up at the bottom here, and it's got the mirror here. Just a really nice compact mirror to be able to put this in your bag or your purse, or keep it in a desk. Wherever you're going to be using a compact mirror, this is going to be a great addition to your makeup area. So definitely want to check it out. It's the pink compact mirror. It's a great size. Again, handheld. It's going to fit anywhere. It's very thin, and it's got a nice light on it. Highly recommend checking this out.